Need to get your files from Mega back onto your computer. In this guide, I'll show you how to download individual files, multiple files, and entire folders from Mega. We'll also cover where your downloads go and what to do with larger files. So let's begin. First, open Mega in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your cloud drive, locate the file or folder you want to download. Take a moment to check the name and size so you know you're selecting the right item. To download one file, select it and open the Available Actions or Context menu. Choose the download option, then select the standard download method if Mega gives you more than one choice. Your browser should then begin preparing and downloading the file. If you need several files, select multiple items before opening the download menu. Choose the download option, and Mega can package the selected files together for transfer. Depending on the size and number of files, preparing the download may take a little while. To download a complete folder, select the folder and choose the download option. Mega may prepare the folder as an archive before your browser downloads it. Once the download is complete, you can extract the archive on your computer to access the files inside. After the transfer finishes, open your browser's download list or your computer's downloads folder. Locate the file and check that it downloaded correctly. If you downloaded an archive, right-click it and use your computer's extraction option to unpack the contents. For large videos, folders, or other big files, the download can take some time. Make sure you have enough free storage and a stable internet connection. Avoid closing the browser or disconnecting from the internet while the transfer is still running. This can help prevent an interrupted download, and that's how you download files from Mega. Select your file or folder, choose Download, wait for the transfer to finish, and then find it in your downloads location. Pretty easy, right? Just make sure you have enough storage for larger files.